Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're going to be driving through Halfway Tree, and Halfway Tree is the capital of St. Andrew, and it's also the busiest place in Kingston and St. Andrew, and probably the busiest place in Jamaica. Now, it's estimated that about 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. And with a population of 3 million in Jamaica, you can imagine just how many people pass through here every day. So we're going to drive through so you can take a look. Straight ahead is the St. Andrew Parish Church, and that church was founded in 1664. It still operates as a church today, and that's one of the oldest churches in Jamaica. There are actually churches in Spanish Town that are older than that church. Okay, on the left, that if we had veered left, we would go on to Malines Road. Straight ahead, you can see the Halfway Tree Transport Center, which is where the buses, it's a very large bus park operated by the JUTC. On the right is the old stadium, the old studios for JBC, which was the Jamaica Broadcast Corporation, and it's now TVJ. Straight ahead at that intersection is Constant Spring Road. So with this, I think that's the largest bus park in Jamaica. I'm not sure, but it's very popular, so a lot of persons, when they want to go anywhere in Jamaica, they would pass through Halfway Tree and pass through that bus park. On the right now is another park, and where you see these taxis turning, this is where the taxis load and unload passengers. And as you can imagine, there are a lot of police out there to maintain law and order on the roads, because if not, those, well, let's just say a lot of cars would just stop and park anywhere and create havoc. Okay, we're now at the intersection with Hope Road. If we turn left, it'll take us on Hope Road up to the Ligani area. We're going to turn right and head back into Halfway Tree. On the left is the entrance to the Clock Tower Plaza. Okay, straight ahead you can see the Halfway Tree clock, and where the clock is, that intersection is one of the major intersections in Jamaica. 4 main roads intersect right there. We're on Hope Road. If you go straight across, that's Hagley Park Road. If you turn left, that's Halfway Tree Road, and the road on the right, you can't turn right because it's a one-way, is Constant Spring Road. So basically where you are now is the busiest place in Jamaica, and from here you can get to downtown, which is very busy, by going left, the wharf by going straight across, and the road we're on now leads you to New Kingston, and Constant Spring Road runs all the way from Manor Park. So it's Halfway Tree is one of the most central areas in Jamaica. On the left is York Plaza. Okay, on the left at this intersection is Maxfield Avenue. You go straight across, that's Hagley Park Road. And if you turn right, that takes you on to Eastwood Park Road. So with such a large population, you're going to find a lot of malls. And Constant Spring Road has a lot of malls on it, and as you get closer to the Halfway Tree area, you find a lot more malls. So we're going to look at some of the plazas in Halfway Tree now. If we veered left, that takes us on to Malines Road, and Malines Road will take us down to Washington Boulevard. On the right, you can see the Halfway Tree Transport Center again. Now coming up, okay, on the left is a new plaza called 7 Eastwood Park Plaza. On the right is Burger King. Now this Burger King is very popular in Jamaica. It also holds a record for the most sales for opening for a Burger King location in the world. That's right, when Halfway Tree Burger King opened, they sold more food than any other Burger King in the world when they opened. So that can give you an idea just how busy Halfway Tree is. And as you can see, it's located right across from the bus terminal or the bus park. Okay, on the right is the Springs Plaza. Now we're coming up on Twin Gates Plaza. We're going to drive through Twin Gates and go back on to, oh, it's closed. Well, this entrance is closed. Today is a holiday in Jamaica, so that's why the road isn't that busy. And that's why you don't see thousands of people in Halfway Tree. But it's also why some of these malls, not all the entrances are open. So we're on Eastwood Park Road now, and we're going to go back up onto Kingston Spring Road and back into the Halfway Tree area. On the left, that's Red Hills Road. Now straight ahead on the left, that's Byron's Plaza. No, sorry, King's Plaza. So we're now on Kingston Spring Road in the Halfway Tree area. Straight ahead, that intersection is South Avenue. Okay, now there are a lot of plazas, so we'll go through quickly. On the left is Lane Plaza, then Village Plaza, then Mall Plaza, then Tropical Plaza. Then you have, we just passed Twin Gates, now we're coming up on the Springs on the right. On the left is Tropical Plaza, and then beside that is Premier Plaza. And straight ahead, that's Pavilion Plaza and Central Plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.